welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a DIY rose box. I've seen them all over Tumblr, big Instagrammers have them. They're just so luxurious and I've always wanted one, but they're about $250 for a small one and then they go up from there. So I always thought it was something I could make, and I came across this at Target over the holidays. It's by the brand Sugar Paper and it was $6. So I thought that this would be perfect. It's got like the gold rim. I'm sure you can find them online, but they have these everywhere, like your local craft store or on Amazon. I'll try to link some down below. So I got that, and I grabbed some of these little foam inserts. I didn't get a solid one just because I wasn't sure what height I would want it with the roses. So these were about $1 a piece. And then artificial flowers are so hit or miss. They can look really cheesy. So I found these on Amazon, and they're Real Touch flowers. They're like a blush pink color, and they look really nice. Like, they look like real flowers. They even kind of have a scent to them like a flower, which is pretty crazy. It's not like strong, and I'm sure it'll go away really quickly, but I've had them in this box. I just thought that was a cute little touch, and they were about $15 or $16. So all of this will be under $30, and it's like a $300 one. Hopefully it'll turn out like that. So this is what I'm getting myself for Valentine's Day. So if you want to treat yourself, here's how you can do it. So I'm just going to set all 3 of these in here because that looks like it's going to be a really good height. And there is a little bit of wiggle room in here between the sizes of the foam, but we're just going to go with it. Okay, so I grabbed some wire cutters. I think we need to cut them about here. So I'm just going to cut this off. And I'm going to start in the middle. That one even shorter. There. Got it. And I still want them to be tall enough to where it's going to kind of hang out of the box, but I don't want to be able to see my little wires. I'm just going to make a little circle and then keep it going. You're literally just pushing these into the foam, so if you need to rearrange, you can. So I'm all done. It took me about 10 minutes. It was super easy. I had more than enough flowers to finish it out. I had some left over. So I think it looks awesome. You could even tie a ribbon around it if you wanted. You can also print out those little labels if you just Google the little images for whatever brand you like and just glue that on here, or use one of those sticker papers. But I think it turned out really cute and it was really easy, and it's a great Valentine gift for yourself or your friend or whatever. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.